Hi guys, let's prepare Christmas special Goan popular sweet dodol. Pour 500 ml of coconut milk in a bowl. Then add 200 gram of palm jaggery and 200 ml of sugarcane jaggery and half teaspoon of salt. Pour this mixture in a pan and cook it on a high flame till the jaggery melts. By the time jaggery melts, prepare the mixture of rice flour and water. Take half cup of rice flour and pour required water to get a thick paste. Let the jaggery melts completely. Then add 2 tablespoons of ghee, handful of cashew nuts and prepared rice flour mixture. Cook it on a medium flame and stir it continuously. Keep stirring till it starts to leave the side of vessel and quite a thick mixture. Then pour dodol in a plate and let it cool. Demold it and then decorate it with cashew nuts. If you like this recipe, then comment below, like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.